Hello, welcome to my Korean kitchen. Today's dish is Kimchi jjigae. This is a Korean stew made with canned mackerel and kimchi. This recipe is super easy. Koreans sometimes cook this dish when they go camping. At the time, we usually use only canned mackerel and kimchi. Kimchi is already seasoned, so it tastes good even without extra seasoning. Today, I'm making at home, so I will add a few more ingredients. The main ingredients are a can of protein-rich mackerel swimming inside and vitamin-packed tangy kimchi. Optional ingredients are 1 tablespoon each of red pepper powder, sesame oil, sugar, and chopped green onion. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to a pot. Add the kimchi and stir fry over high heat for 1 minute. Add everything from the can into the pot. Fill the empty can with water and add it to the pot. Worried about the canned liquid? Boil it for 10 minutes. No worries. Now add red pepper powder, sugar, and chopped green onion. The order doesn't matter. Boil for another 3 minutes. Like it spicy? Add 1 more spoon of red pepper powder. You can enjoy the volcano's flavor. Let's taste it. If it's bland, add a little salt. Now, I'm happy with the taste. It's done. We usually eat this with rice. Sometimes, we eat it as a hangover soup. How was today's dish? If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your meal.